to need for this simple recipe are some tomatoes, the bigger one, the smaller one, your favorite choice of your cheese. Here I'm using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella. You're gonna need some tuna, canned tuna or a fresh one if you have, and one avocado, and also some chopped up red onions, and for flavor a little bit of salt and some mayo. Alright, so I already chopped up the red onions. I'm gonna just take some of the cherry tomatoes and chop them up into smaller pieces, into quarters I like to. Let's start putting these into the bowl. I'm also gonna put the red onion in the bowl. Next, I'm gonna take the avocado and cut that up. Also gonna put in the cheese cubes. Next step is to open up the can. I'm just gonna pour out the rest of the oil because it's too much. You can leave a little bit in here. Add it to the bowl. Alright, now this is the time when I add a little bit of salt and pepper.